I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing who matters and why. This saves time and raises response rates. Once defined, craft a concise value statement that explains benefits in one sentence. Then build a small test list of 100 prospects and schedule a sequence. A short LinkedIn touch, followed by 2 emails spaced 3-4 days apart. Make sure to track source and initial response so you can measure which channel yields fastest traction and adjust targets immediately. Once you have initial responses, qualify fast using 3 clear questions to score interest and fit. This prevents time waste. Next, nurture mid-funnel prospects with tailored content, case study, ROI snapshot, short demo invite, sent on an automated cadence. Make sure to personalize each touch with one specific data point, such as recent company growth or a mutual contact, to increase trust. Monitor reply patterns. Raise priority for warm leads. You close by asking for a clear, small commitment. Schedule a 15-minute call or start a trial, so prospects can say yes without heavy risk. Once done, send a concise proposal with a single CTA and follow up twice over the next 7-10 days. Keep messages short and outcome-focused. If responses lag, troubleshoot quickly. Test subject lines, send times, and shorten copy. Also make sure tracking is accurate. If data is wrong, fix the pipeline before repeating outreach to avoid repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.